Alright everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to be installing the pedal commander onto the 2019 Ram 1500 Bighorn. Alright, once you get everything out the box, you're going to see that you got the pedal commander itself, 2 zip ties, one of these Velcro stick-on things to stick it on your dash. Here's an alcohol pad if you were to do this process. Installation manual, and then you got you an actual nice little sticker here. Quick note, the pedal commanders are not universal. So once you go to their website, you're going to type in your specific vehicle, the year, the model, and the motor size. Once you do that, it'll give you the actual pedal commander that is tuned to your vehicle, meaning that it won't, even though it's the same model as other model vehicles, it's only going to work for your vehicle. Alright guys, before you go unplugging anything, you're going to unlock your vehicle. You're going to get your key fob about 35 feet away, and then you're going to wait about 5 minutes and let everything completely power down. If not, once you pull the sensor plug on the pedal, which I'll be showing you later in this video, you will get a check engine light for that. So make sure once you unlock the vehicle, get your key fob 35 feet away, wait about 5 minutes, then you should be good. Alright guys, your first step, you're going to get down here, brake pedal, gas pedal. You're going to see this plug up here. You're going to pull on it outward, and then it's going to go up. Simple as that. Alright, on your pedal commander you're going to have 2 plugs. The plug that you just unplugged right there, this one plugs into it. You pretty much can't get this wrong because that plug won't go into that plug. This plug is going to plug back in where you took that plug off of the accelerator pedal. Alright, this is hard to do without a camera, man, so just bear with me. You'll hear it click. Make sure you hear it click or it's not installed properly. Alright, so once you got this plug plugged in, you'll hear a click. Push down on this tab, push it inward, you're going to hear a second click. Very important, make sure you do that. Okay, get this camera adjusted. Now that you got this plug plugged into your factory plug, you're going to take this one with the red tab, you're going to pull it out, and then you're going to sit it on your gas pedal where the other factory plug used to be. Let me get a good angle. Push down on it, the tab out as far as it can go. You're going to push it. Here you go. The install is complete. Once you got both of them in, the install is pretty much complete. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to tuck these wires and the pedal commander up somewhere. My specific pedal commander, a matter of fact, I think all of them now are Bluetooth, so you're not going to be messing with these buttons that much, so you can actually tuck it up somewhere pretty good. But you still want to be able to get it if you got to go in for any recalls.